Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video we have the PlayStation Vita, the modded version, and I'm gonna show you the steps on how to play full screen on it on the PlayStation 1 games. Make sure you have Adrenaline open, then you can launch any game that you have, so we can start with the tutorial. Once the game is fully loaded, press and hold the PlayStation button for about 3 seconds. Then you want to tap on settings on the top right corner. Then you want to go to the settings tab. Then you want to do the settings as shown on the screen. Then you want to scroll down to these right there, the two. You can have them extended to 1515 and 1215, and as you see, when I adjust it, you see where you can adjust it to the way you like. The game will still play as smooth as usual. It's not going to affect the game in any kind of way once you have it on those settings as you see on the screen. Once you are done, just tap on the PlayStation button, and as you see, the game is playable full screen and you can see everything with no issues. This is it guys, this is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.